Right, it is just before 10 o'clock in the morning and I am leaving the Cookie Lady's house, the Afton bike house where I spent the night. I have to say it was a bit of a strange experience. I never saw anybody. There were no other cyclists. Whoever is running this house, I never saw them. There were no cookies. And it felt weird to be there alone. The house is really run down. In fact, I would say it's filthy. There are spiders and bugs everywhere. There's a lot of sweaty clothes. It smells very musty. It's like people just have taken off clothes and tacked them all over. And I don't know, it felt a little bit weird being there without any other cyclists, almost like it was a teenage boys biking fort or something. I found a broom swept up. I don't think the place had been swept in 6 months, maybe even a year. Made sure the bathroom and kitchen were clean. It's a little bit better than how I found it, but it definitely could use some love and attention. Today's ride is going to be all climbing. I'm going up and over, not up and over, but I'm going to be climbing the Blue Ridge Mountains today. I'm going to do about 20 miles and I think 2,700 feet of climbing to a campground in Love, Virginia. And this is Friday, it's the beginning of Memorial Day weekend. And so I really want to get where I'm going before the RV traffic and trucks pulling boats and trailers crowd the road. So it should be an absolutely beautiful day, and I think the scenery is going to be outstanding. So, all right, Myrtle, come on, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. I have been climbing from the Cookie Lady's house, really a very steep climb. And then I've been on 250, Highway 250. It's a 2-lane but fairly busy highway. But look at this. I am going to be turning onto the Blue Ridge Parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway is a cycling route, so we'll see what that means. But I'm hoping it'll be less busy than the road I'm on. I'm going to the left, the Blue Ridge Parkway. Ooh, big climbing today. And there's a lot of wonderful scenic overlooks on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And it's very nice for me because the climbing it's a lot. I've done just over 3 miles and I'm already at 750 feet of climbing for the day. So I think it's gonna be nice for me to take a breath and enjoy these beautiful scenic overlooks. But you can see there's a lot of smoky haze in the air from the fires burning in Alberta, Canada. Really incredible, but absolutely gorgeous up here. I'm really thrilled to be doing this ride on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Looking down on the Shenandoah Valley, I don't know if I'm so low to the ground. Maybe I get something a little bit clearer up here, but I got some nice rock cliffs here. That's a gorgeous parkway. I am 10 miles into my ride. Look at how beautiful it is. And I already have 2,000 feet of climbing. Shenandoah Valley below. Yeah, all the climbing I've done. Now I'm got a nice downhill here. have made it to Love, Virginia. I am at a campground called Love Ridge. Brand new campground. I may be the first person to camp in this site. It's very expensive. It's $60 to pitch a tent. There's no electricity, there's no water. What they have is a very nice camp house, beautiful showers, and a very nice kitchen as well. So they offer some food. I ordered a chicken feta spinach pie, and it is cooking in the oven right now. That's pretty unusual for a campground. Today's ride was beautiful. I left the Cookie Lady's house in Afton. There was a lot of climbing. I think in the first 13 miles, I did 2,300 feet of climbing. I was on the Ridge Parkway. It was absolutely gorgeous. So many overlooks. I stopped at almost all of them, if for no other reason than to catch my breath. So, all right, you guys, that's my update. Thank you so much for following along, for all your support and encouragement, and welcome to Love, Virginia.